Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
In China's electric vehicle market, a price war has taken center stage, with major players BYD leading the charge. But for salesman Ma Hui and others in the industry, it's a recipe for disaster. With profit margins being squeezed to almost zero, he says all of us were losing money last year at his used car market in Beijing. The problem is, there are too many companies producing new energy cars, flooding the global market with cheap Chinese EVs. This has led to accusations both within and outside China that the country is prioritizing exports over profitability. The People's Daily, a leading Communist Party paper, even published a commentary warning about the dangers of disorderly price wars that are leading nowhere and have no future. One company at the center of this controversy is BYD, which recently announced massive price cuts for many of its models. Discounts as steep as 34% have made some of its cars cheaper than ever before, just $7,700 for a model that used to cost over $10,000. Now, high-profile auto executives are sounding the alarm about the industry's health. Great Wall Motor chairman Wei Jianzhen even drew parallels with China's troubled property sector and the now-defunct Evergrande developer. But BYD is pushing back, saying it believes in fair competition. A government-backed industry group has also weighed in, urging companies not to dump vehicles below the cost of production. As prices continue to drop, sales volumes are expected to take a hit. And for consumers who are already hesitant to spend during an economic downturn, this could be the final nail in the coffin. As Ma Hui puts it, with the price dropping like this, a lot of buyers might wait. In China's electric vehicle market, where profit margins are thin and competition is fierce, only time will tell if companies can weather the storm.